How to remove insights from Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to remove insights from Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap three line icon at top right corner of the screen and scroll down. Under For Professionals, tap Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll down and tap Switch Account Type. You can switch it to Business Account or Personal Account and tap Switch to Personal Account to confirm. You have to wait for a few seconds and then when you come back to your profile, you will see that there is no any insights on Instagram. That's how we remove Instagram insights. So hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hi